We shall now see how to draw a class diagram using Umbrello UML modeler. Firstly, open Umbrello, and usually by default the class diagram instance is the one which always opens. Once the instance is already available, we can click on the new class button and create the required class with its name. Once the class is created, we can add the attributes and the methods to it. Currently, we are adding a private attribute to the class. As you can see, the attribute that we added is not visible. So, we shall go and change the display properties to show all the attributes which are not public as well. Then we can add the methods or operations to the particular class. In this example, we are taking code as the attribute, and the get code method and the set code methods are added to this particular class. Next, we are adding the next new class for this particular class diagram. Called the body. In this particular class called body, we do not need any attributes or operations or functions in it. Thus, we do not even require that space. We shall be removing all the other components by just changing the display property of the class. Similarly, we are doing the same thing for the other two classes that we added just now, called the terminal and the server. This way, the class is seen with only the class name with no attribute or the operations in it. Now, once the classes are created, we will connect them using the appropriate connectors. Between the classes, now we are adding a composition relationship. And between the request and the server, we are adding an aggregation relationship. Once the relationship is added, we can now change the multiplicity of it. Particularly in this case, we will add a 0 to many relationship to this particular relationship. We can also label the particular relationship by giving it a name. In this case, it is incoming requests to the server. Save the project and then render it as a PDF as required.